Hey devs, welcome back to the channel. Now tell me honestly, have you ever written a SQL query and thought, why is this taking forever to run? Yeah, we've all been there. And if you're preparing for interviews at places like Deloitte or Infosys, you need to know this one. Today's question is simple but super powerful. When should you use joins and squares instead of subqueries in SQL? Let's break this down. Most of us, including me early on, we use subqueries by default. Why? Because they seem easier. But that's where your performance starts dying. Correlated subqueries? They run once per row. So, million rows? 1,000,000 queries. That's just insane. And the price you pay? Slower load times, memory spikes, your users refreshing the screen thinking your app broke. Especially if you're running Postgres, Snowflake, or Azure SQL in production. But there's a better way. Joins and squares, they're like that friend who makes your life easy. They allow parallel execution, use indexes, and let the query planner do its job. And squares? They make your queries clean, modular, like reusable functions. You'll thank yourself later. Let's break it down with a real example. You want to fetch customers and the number of orders they placed. Here's the slow version. Select name, select count star, from orders, O, where O, customer ID equals C.ID, from customers, C. Now imagine this on 10 million records. Yeah, grab some chai, you'll be waiting. But now, the optimized join version. Select C name, count, O.ID, from customers, C. Left join orders. O on C.ID equals O, customer ID, group by C.name. Boom. Fast, efficient, clean. So remember this. Use joins when combining data. Use squares to keep logic modular. Avoid correlated subqueries unless you really need them. But always verify your aggregates when switching logic. So next time your query takes forever, stop. Ask yourself, can I rewrite this using a join or a square? If this was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's your go-to SQL optimization trick? Thanks for watching, and as always, happy querying.